Hey everyone, today is the day of starting with a long video series. Today is day one of we are starting with a long video series, and the thing is that we are going to cover things like solving a problem. It can be on lead code, solving a major project, or building a project like using MERN stack applications. Not only this, we are also going to explain the tutorials as well. I'm going to also record some tutorials and post it on YouTube. So today is day one, and like that, we are going to be consistent for the next 70 days, posting anything, but it is a long video. Means so. Let's just start with these things. It may improve my communication, my problem solving skills, and my technical skills. It will improve. What I was planning to do today is that I was going to work on my major project, which is basically building an AI powered personalized career and skill path recommendation system. It's just that, so we are building a recommendation system, career recommendation system for the students and freshers who are seeking for an entry level role. Our feature includes a resume upload sections where a user can upload a resume, and after he uploads a resume, he or she uploads a resume, everything gets clear cut because after he or she uploads a resume, we will be having a section called providing jobs. That is basically our resume skills and experiences based on the jobs present in the market. That jobs based on the user skill will be matched, and based on the accuracy, if it's more than 70 or 80, that job will be posted to the user's account directly, I mean on our website, and he or she can apply through it. And also, not only this, it also recommends that you need to learn these skills and you need to be focused on these skills to get 100% fit for the particular role which is mentioned by us. And not only this, it will also generate a roadmap for every type of engineers who they want to become. It can be a data engineer, it can be a full stack, it can be a MERN stack, it can be AI ML, it can be a data scientist, it can be anything. It can be cloud, it can be DevOps, it can be anything, guys. I mean, plenty of roles includes. It can be a product engineer, it can be a quality assurance engineer, many more things to come. So that's how we are going to build. Other features includes an AI mock interviewer, which is one of the hardest part in our website. That we will be doing it later. For now, let me show you till now what I have built and what we will be going to build in future. Currently, I have completed my backend and as well as some AI/ML routes, which includes a resume parser using NLP, natural language processing. Not only this, one more thing is that I have used cosine similarity to match the difference between the user's resume and the job profile and what is the skill gap he has. So let's just open the VS Code and work on this project. I'm pretty much excited to work on this project because it improves my accuracy and my technical skills. So this is a major project, college, and these are the jobs which is listed here. So this is a folder section which generates a roadmap. I recently generated a roadmap of a DevOps data engineer through Pickle. Pickle is a library. Pickle, yeah, I guess Pickle, yeah. Just go to the race. Yeah, where is the roadmap image generator? Okay, yeah, Pillow. We are using Pillow to create an image. It includes image draw, image font, and for the cybersecurity engineer, it creates a user like it creates a roadmap like this. Every roadmap consisting of four phases. That is, phase one is the basic thing, second one is the learning phase, third one is the advanced, and fourth one is certifications and project and job prep related thing. So that is what a user wants. So every roadmap is generated by us. Before that, I just want to learn UICon. We'll do one thing. Okay, we'll just what I think is that people actually don't care about you're using AI or not when you know things. So we are going to use cloud because I already know how things work. So the only thing is that I am reducing my workload by using AI because I don't want to waste a lot of time in creating this thing. Okay, now it's everything clear. So the thing is that Ubicon main app reload port 8080. So it will create a backend. It will just will go to the backend route. We'll follow this link. The APIs are real. Job listing APIs is real and it's still loading. I guess, yeah. Thing is that the database is not loaded yet, so it's saying like this. Wait for a second and see what's the issue here. It's not checking the proxy and the firewall. What does it mean? Yeah, the MongoDB connector. So it must be working fine. Yeah. When I click on the health route, it's TJ, not H. It says, yeah, status okay. I created a simple health route which to check whether my API key is working or not. So yeah, it returns a status of okay. So we have named it as Career AI. If you have any suggestions to our website, you can give it to us. We'll just simply go to the docs, which is of the past API. These are the routes which is created by us. The main routes are the post routes, which is an upload resume section, and generate a roadmap section, and generate a custom roadmap endpoint. These are the three important phases in our resume. I mean, in our major project. So we'll do one thing is that we'll upload a resume, try it out, and we'll choose this file. We'll do one thing. This time we're gonna upload a resume of one of my colleagues. I think I don't have their resume yet, so I'll just use my resume. I'm gonna execute it. Let's wait for a second and see what's happening here. It's taking a lot of time, not really, guys. Fast API is way faster because it is a lightweight framework. I hope so. I think, yeah, it's generating a roadmap. Yeah, it's given. So it extracted the resume and we have a name, email, phone, LinkedIn, GitHub, summary, programming languages, the web front end, the AI ML, which they know, the tools, the soft skills, and combining all this, it becomes all for the education. The education institute is also given the year, the graduation year. Experience is nil because they haven't done anything. Projects is also given. The certifications is also provided. So for this particular role, this is that NLP engineer can be a career match. So the average package is basically 12 to 35 and the math percentage is 65. Missing keywords are NLP and transformers. So also an AI and Gen AI role, machine learning role, front-end developer role, and it says that you can apply to this job and the rate matching rate is, let's just go to the race link and see whether it's actually real or not. Yeah, you can apply through this 4 days ago, 1 to 5 years of experience. They say that you need to learn NLU, NLP, PyTorch, Python, G++. So yeah, that's like pretty good. It also suggests what kind of jobs will be a better option for us. That's a pretty good thing. They also generated a roadmap, guys. The roadmap is generated for what? For Kansa, where is it? This is for the Abhay Srivastava. Okay, I have not asked to the map, generated a roadmap. So let's generate a roadmap for this role, particular role. So the resume ID it generated is that here is the resume ID. Let's create a roadmap for this particular resume. Where is this? Yeah. Target role, we are looking for an full stack role. Not, no, not full stack. We are looking for an AI role. What are the roles mentioned? Roadmap. Let's see what are the roles present. It's like, I'll try it out, execute, and see what are the roles. AI engineer. Okay, we're gonna NLP product. Let's go for an NLP engineer. Let's go for an AI engineer. Does it generated? Yes, they generated a roadmap. Role AI engineer. Okay, AI engineer not found. Yeah, basically we haven't mentioned it in. Decided we'll go for an NLP engineer. It generated a roadmap for this. These are things, the process which we need to learn, and also it generated an URL. Okay, let's check it out. What was the ID? Was the C619. C619. Okay. Yeah. So they have generated a roadmap. Now, if I want to generate an image, then we are going to use generate roadmap is done. That's how we have created this. And for the next thing, we are going to focus on building the front end. And guys, ignore the background. I mean, yeah, that's not pretty good. The design, the panda is not so good. I get it. I'll change that later, but for currently, I can't do anything. So that's how I worked on this. I mean, we'll do one thing. We'll just focus on creating the front end part. So let's do it. Generated a roadmap through images in form of images, text, and what's the next step? Backend is done, database is done. Database is local, not the actual Atlas. We'll do that later. The next thing is the React frontend. We'll do this and see what's will be the matter. In the next video, we are going to work on that. If you want the code or anything, you can message us. So the thing is that we have created a career matcher. Career matcher is generated via NLP extraction, that is cosine similarity, and TFIT vectorizer, which compares your skills, resume skills, to the actual skills posted by us in the career role dictionary or list. So based on this similarity, if it matches, it generates a career matcher that you are eligible for this particular role. That's how career matcher works. Coming to the job fetcher, it uses a rapid API to generate a roadmap. I mean, to generate the jobs listing on the websites, like a lot of websites. So we are using this. And oh, sorry guys, I have to blur this API key since it is the secret key. And the next thing is that with resume parser, I've already said that I use a natural language processing to extract the resume. So we are using PDF Plumber to extract it. And to import the path, we are using path libs. There are two things. One is PDF and docs. Resume can be in docs and PDF. So based on that, we are extracting skills and other all the other things like name, email, LinkedIn, and other URLs as well. Even if it's not mentioned, it's just a link that is mentioned that will also be extracted. That's how strong it is, our NLP extraction code. The next thing is that we are going to generate a roadmap, that is a roadmap generator. The roadmap generator uses PIL, that is, let me show you better. That would be better. Yeah, to generate a roadmap, we have used a GenAI API key, but it's not working. So this code become useless. To generate a image, we are using PIL, that is to pillow. It's basically a pillow library. Like you sleep, right? You have a pillow in your home, right? That is a pillow, but here it is different. It generates image, generates headings, generates boxes. You're using image draw and image font. This is how we are using background color, header, background, and all these things. Phases of the color is also mentioned here. You guys can check it out. I don't want to show you each and everything because there are some confidential data here. The next thing is that main.py is our main thing. Main.py is the backend routes. I've already said that we are working on routes like first is the help route, upload route. It's fully pipeline, guys. Everything is working fine inside the routes. And let's hope for the best. And we will be generating the front end part, and that will be shown in the next video. Thanks for watching. And if you have any suggestions, or in future if you are working on this project, then you can comment out and I'm ready to help you. Thank you for watching.